Welcome back. Today I'll walk you through how to delete contacts from SendGrid. Cleaning up your contact list is essential to maintaining a healthy email marketing campaign. Start by logging into your SendGrid dashboard and navigating to the contact section. Here, you'll see your full contact list. You can search for specific contacts using the search bar or filter contacts by specific lists or tags. To delete a contact, simply select the checkbox next to the contact's name. Then, click the Delete button at the top. You can delete individual contacts or select multiple contacts for bulk deletion. If you need to delete an entire list, go to the List tab. Select the list you want to remove and click Delete List. Keep in mind that deleting a list will only remove it from the list itself. It won't delete the actual contacts unless you choose to delete them from all contacts. Once deleted, these contacts will no longer receive emails from your campaigns. Regularly cleaning your list helps improve engagement and ensures your emails are reaching an active audience. Thanks for tuning in. Hit the like button if this video was helpful. If you haven't tried SendGrid, just hit the link in the description and get your free trial today.